Ways to increase testosterone levels in men. Get a good night's sleep increases testosterone levels in men. Losing weight. Weight loss increases testosterone levels in men. High intensity exercise also increases testosterone levels in men. Zinc foods such as eggs, meat, fish increases testosterone levels in men. Raise your testosterone levels with strength training such as jumps, etc. Vitamin D foods such as eggs, meat increases testosterone levels in men. Eat healthy fats such as fruits and vegetables and reduce stress. Stress decreases testosterone levels in men. Stress increases cortisol levels in men and decreases testosterone. Sugar also decreases testosterone levels in men. And also some medicines decreases testosterone levels in men. Thank you so much for watching this video, and also subscribe this channel for more exciting videos like this one and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Friends,